See, before entering into the death process, I wanted to give this Atma Linga to all you guys. Then we will enter into death process. So that it will lead to new birth. Listen. Atma Linga is made of spatika, pure spatika. And the Sri Chakra is the geometrical form of the whole cosmos. The whole universe, the geometrical form is Sri Chakra. As per the scientist itself, the form of the conceivable form of the cosmos is Linga. Please understand. Ultimately it is formless, but using any possible perception, trying to give a form for the universe, finally ends up only as a Linga. So, the closest form is Linga, the closest geometrical description of universe is Sri Yantra. The closest form of the universe is Linga, and the closest geometrical representation of the universe is Sri Yantra. That Sri Yantra is carved on this Linga. Please understand, Sri Yantra is carved on this Linga. The Guru of Shankaracharya. Shankaracharya had many gurus. Only the biographers, because they were Brahmins, they removed all other non-Brahmin gurus from his life. Otherwise, he had many gurus. One of the Shankaracharya's guru, Abhinava Gupta, installed the Shivalinga in Kashi Annapurneshwari temple. When we go to Annapurna temple, we will see this Sri Yantreshwara. The deity is there. And that is the Moola Devata of Mahanirvani Pita. So he is the original deity of Mahanirvani Pita who receives worship every day first. Actually, first he is worshipped in our Mahanirvani Pita. Only then all other gods, including Annapurni, receives worship. Please understand, he receives worship first. Moola Devata. Moola Devata means we may have many gods in our temple, but this deity is the chief deity. So the Sri Yantreshwara is the Moola Devata of our Sangha. Nirvani Pita and Nityananda Sangha, both. For both, this is the Moola Devata. By form, the male Shiva energy. By Sri Chakra, the female Devi energy. By energizing the Guru energy. All the three are inside. This represents all the three. This is the most powerful piece of consciousness you can have. And no need to do any puja, any worship. It is specially energized to constantly keep your Kundalini high and make the enlightenment happen in you. Is maintenance free, like me. You don't need to have anything done. There is, see, if you want to do puja, you have a freedom to do puja. But it is not energized for everyday puja. So there is no demand that you have to do it. If you are enjoying doing it, do it. Otherwise, he is energized fully independently to act as a independent intelligence of literally having a piece of Guru with you. Your own Guru and God for you. It's usually traditionally called Atma Murti. Means your own consciousness. Kathopanishad describes the soul consciousness in the body is in the shape of Angushta Matra Purusha. In the form of the thumb, means Linga, the consciousness is residing in your inner space. So as Kathopanishad describes how consciousness is inside you, this linga is created. If you want to know more about it, we should hear from people who already got it and started using it in their day-to-day life. Come on. How many of you here already have one, got in Cambodia and using it in your life, day-to-day life? Come on, you share. It is like you can use it for healing, you can use it for anything you want.
JG, I got the Atmalingam in Cambodia, and it's one of the most miraculous healers. It's just like having JG in the palm. I mean, Swamiji in the palm. So, I have a girl who works at my home, helps me around with the household work. And she had a dream that in her village, which is somewhere near Tibet, they do a lot of black magic. And generally, if you don't like each other, they do something there apparently. So she had a vision, a dream or something, where she felt like someone had poisoned her. And when she woke up, she was actually like very sick and dizzy and all of that. So she came running to me at around 2 o'clock in the morning. And I just took the Atmalingam and kept it on her head. And within 2 minutes, she went and puked out some black liquid. I was there when this happened. And that's it. She was completely all right. There's nothing else. And related to this, even related to wealth creation, I remember my husband said that he said, oh, people will go to IA if they have more money automatically, like, blah, 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 something about it. So I said, oh, only money, right? Okay, fine. So this year it will increase by a certain amount of money for you. And I said, just come over here, and I gave him some healing with the Atmalingam. The very next day, the companies that he had not applied to, 2 of them made him an offer. And it's not that he has got great experience or any such thing. They themselves emailed, they said, please come for interview. Within 1 week, he was offered so much money that was just completely beyond his belief. Completely beyond his belief. And just because he rejected one of them, they are upping the offer now. And he's telling, I don't know why they want to give me, what have I done? So, it's the Atmalingam. That's it.
Come on, anybody else has anything to share who has received Atmalingam in Cambodia and last Varanasi IA? If you have received Atmalingam and you have stories to share, you can project. He is the he is the Mula Devata. You can see Sri Chakra on that Shivalinga. He is the Adidevata, or the chief deity, god of our Mahanirvani Pita. This Mahadeva is installed in Annapurni temple, which you will all be seeing when we go there. It is installed by Abhinava Gupta, Guru of Adi Shankara. Go ahead, Ma.
There have been definitely great changes because Varun and myself landing in Cambodia itself was a miracle. And with this now, I used to work as a speech therapist, but something makes me get some sort of an insight, and it's like I just think of you, and then I'm doing whatever has to be done. And the patients, when they come, they just keep. I'm slowly getting a little more number of private patients, and I know it is all you doing it. I feel, because the patients are, I just don't know what I'm doing, but I know that they're coming. That's all I can say.
Because anyone who got this as at least 25 stories to share.
Swamiji, I use it for healing, Swamiji. So every week when we go to Dr. Shanti's clinic, defaultly we keep the Atmalingas. I don't know about the people who are receiving the healing, but for me, the self-doubt is so much. So I just keep Atmalinga is there to do the job. So whatever it does, so it feels so much. I am able to just relax into myself when I have something where I can complete it, because it is independent of my mind. So it actually helps me in that way, Swamiji.
You can just keep him under your pillow. You will have a beautiful, peaceful, complete sleep. You can heal yourself. You can heal others. You can do anything you want with him. And he will go on causing miracles. Go on causing miracles. Literally God living with you. Yes, go ahead.
I mean, actually, my wife has attended last IS Swamiji. She got the Atmalinga. After she came back from Varanasi, one day, like after coming from office, it was hectic day for me. I have this partial headache, so I was feeling severely that. I mean, if I get that headache, I'll just be vomiting and complete rest is required, that kind of situation. Then she said, I'll heal you. She put Atmalinga and did the healing for 5 minutes, and that absolutely no pain after that.
Wow.
And I was able to sleep very normally, and the next day was very calm.
So, two miracles in this. One, headache got healed. Second, by wife. That is real miracle. I am very happy and I am convinced about the power of Atmalinga. Come on.
Swamiji, I got the Atmalinga in this last month, May, Varanasi, in this hall only.
Yes.
And actually, I had jet lag. I had traveled 20 hours, and here also I was sitting. Because I was keeping the Atmalinga here all the time, it was very easy for me. Then I went to Chennai, and then there I got fever and all. But I didn't feel much tired. Usually, I'll be so much affected mentally also. I totally, for 15-20 days, there was fever like 100 and all. I was doing normal things. And one more thing is, first 4 days, because I had a lot of cough, I didn't put AC, I didn't put fan. I was sleeping like that for 4-5 days. My mom asked, what body is this? Is it iron body? We cannot sleep without... I mean, I was managed to sleep in that sultry thing, and this Atmalinga was always on my bed.
Good.
And after that, I came to NKY in Bangalore, and this whole trip worked out. Maybe it's because of the Atmalinga's power. Daily it was under my pillow.
Anybody has any direct stories with Atmalinga?
I actually got a healing from Atmalinga.
From by whom?
Dr. Shanti.
Oh, okay.
Some of you might be knowing I lost my son last year, and I wanted to have a baby. And I came to you for asking, blessing it to the Kalpadaru, and you said I will have a baby. But the gynecologist and all said that it's not possible because I have crossed that age, whatever is physical age. And I was thinking that by March 11th, that was his date, and I have to, if I have to get, then I must conceive. I had a lot of incomplete. So I just called up Dr. Shantima that can I come, can I just know what is the reality. So she was telling about the Atmalinga, which she got in Cambodia, and a lot of miracles happened through Atmalinga. So I said, can I come for healing? So she said, I am not calling you. It's Mahadeva calling you. Please come. So I went there. That was on February 19th, and she healed me. And I said, no, I'll come for next 3-4 days. She said, don't plan anything. If you have to come, you will come. So exactly after a month, that was February 9th, March 19th, even though, it's I had missed the periods 2 months before, which was showing the test negative. And March 19th, I called her up and said that, result is positive and I'm not believing it. And she said, at that time she was in the ashram, she said it had to happen. So it is, really I have experienced the healing. Thank you.
You will have actually, now you will have your own stories now. You will see, you will have your own story.
One story I have is a girl and her dad came to our house, and they both have a lot of incompletions with each other, and they always, whenever they look at each other, they'll start biting each other. And she came to our house, and I gave her healing, and she said she saw Kali.
Good. That is nice.
There's this couple in Oman who have joined the Sangha, they come and go and all. They had, some guy cheated them out of nearly 500,000 dirhams, which is like 500,000 dirhams.
Oh, okay.
And he ran away from the country. So my parents called me up on VC and we were talking to them. And I had the Atmalingam with me. We don't do distance healing, no, JG. But I said the Atmalingam can do anything.
Yes.
So I put it on
Atmalingam
the
has
screen.
no restriction.
That's what. So I just made them come to the screen and touch this one, JG. And I said, next day, the person will come back. They said, no, he has gone away to Iran. That midnight, my dad called and told me, in Iran, in the plane, they have stopped the plane. The Dubai police stopped the plane, got the fellow out, and caught him and got the money back. That night, they got 250,000 and the remaining was from court.
Atmalingam has enough of stories. I tell you guys, I think in our whole Sangha, the largest story attributed is Atmalinga only. Only he has largest number of stories.
I had a question about, they're talking of healing with Atmalinga, right? So can we, if someone loses the healing initiation, can we still use the Atmalinga to heal?
No. Atmalinga's healing has no restriction and it has no problem. But the person who is eating non-veg, through his body he will not be able to radiate healing power to others. But even if he takes non-veg, he will be able to heal through Atmalinga.
Yeah,
because that is not his power, na?
Yeah.
That's Atmalinga's power.
That's what I was asking. Okay. Thank you.
Swamiji.
But I'll prescribe that you maintain vegetarian food. Otherwise, you see, healing is not just helping the other person alone, ma. When through your body, when the energy radiates, you also experience.
Yeah.
Now
Swami,
you will not have the
sometimes-
benefit.
Yeah.
Only the other person will have the benefit. You understand?
No, sometimes, Swamiji, it's very easy to lose the healing initiation if you have something with, by mistake, if you have it, you lose it.
What I
In
am
that
saying,
case-
no.
in those cases.
See, you are aware and you take care that you don't eat poison, na? Then have that same awareness, not to eat non-veg. That's all. No, I'm not only for you, for anybody. For anybody. You are putting something into your mouth. Come on. You should be then.
Swamiji, there was one girl working in our office. She was making just 15,000 rupees. And her father was a smith.
Goldsmith.
Not goldsmith. Ironsmith.
Ironsmith.
And he had internal blockage. And he wanted to do a surgery which was costing 1,50,000. So I said, I don't know anything. You come to the temple and we will give you healing. So we put the Atmalingam on him. So then what happened is that I gave him healing. I said, I don't know what will happen, but I am sure your solution will come. That day evening, they run back to the temple at 6 o'clock. And they inform me that through ESIS, a government scheme, which the daughter was eligible for, they filled up all the forms in 4 or 5 offices. They said every place we reached just in the nick of time, and somehow people all wanted to help us out. Within 1 day, which is normally a procedure of 1 month, got over. Next day, the same doctor who was charging 1,50,000 was registered in ESIS, did the surgery free of cost in the same hospital.
Yes, you see, he finds some ways, I can tell you guys, the maximum possible conscious intervention, the divine intervention happens the moment you bring Atmalinga into the scene. I have seen in every time, and above all, be very clearly informed. I personally energized all the lingas, and I personally stand guarantee for their powers and the way they will protect you and raise you to the higher level with all my integrity. And it is given inside a Bhasma bag. See, the Bhasma bag is a tradition. Whenever Mahadeva initiates somebody, it is recorded in many of the Puranas and stories, he gives Bhasma bag and Japamala. Japamala already all of you got it, means Rudrakshmala. That's why I am giving only Bhasma bag. Rudrakamum Tirunitruppayum. In traditional Tamil they say that the Rudraksha and the Bhasma bag is given as a symbol of initiation. So that is why Mahadevas is kept inside the Bhasma bag, and it's also a protection. He does not demand any lifestyle change from you. Means there is no such thing you have to give up non-veg and all that. I recommend it personally is different. but he doesn't demand any change in your lifestyle or anything. He continues to radiate the energy, and he also does not need any regular puja or attention. You can just keep him. He will be there happily like Mahadeva. Mahadeva, when he gave birth to Subramanya, the Garbha needed a water body where it can get cooled and assume the body. So that coolant, water body, see just like in your mother's womb, there is a water body on which your body happened. So for that he released water also. That water only became Rudraksha. So that water is the Rudraksha. That Rudraksha usually is used to keep your body and mind in the highest possible energy, especially when it is energized by a master. It just keeps your body and mind always like a battery bank. How you have a battery bank for your cell phone, this is a battery bank to recharge yourself continuously. Gauri Shankar is the best. But for each of your nakshatra rasi, you have a different you can wear. But Gauri Shankar is the ultimate. Gauri Shankar means the two Rudraksha will be together. That's the ultimate you can use for on your body. It will always be keeping you in highest possible energy. There is one higher level Rudraksha where the three will be together, but in the market it is literally not available. Very rarely we got some 32 pieces which I am wearing. That big mala which you see, I am wearing, that is 3 Rudraksha. But after that still we are not able to get any more pieces. Only this Gauri Shankar is the available best Rudraksha. Gauri Shankar gallery has it. Trijuti they don't have. Means the 2 they have. That's the best to wear. See the Rudraksha, if you X-ray, you will see a separate quarters inside. Then it is original Rudraksha. For the seed, there will be quarters. 5 mukhi means 5 quarters will be there inside. 10 mukhi means 10 quarters will be there. So all the Rudraksha we have is thoroughly certified by the lab. And I stand for the integrity of all the Rudrakshas we have.
I asked you that do we have to complete with a person whom we have not spoken to for a long time or who will not pick up our call?
What I am saying?
Called the person and they answered.
See. That's good. You completed?
Yes.
Good.
Before May Inner Awakening in Varanasi, I'd come alone to Varanasi. And at night, 10:30, after that, I'll walk to the Manikarnika Ghat. And there'll be too much crowd and no lights at all on that one street. And it'll be very dark, and lot of villagers will come and land over there. They'll be drunk and whatever. And everywhere they'll be sitting like groups. So when I'd cross on the first day, I'll always have the Atmalinga with me. These guys, I noticed that they'll not even bother that I'm walking or anything. And soon I got comfortable, so comfortable that I'll not cover myself with that big shawl or something. Then suddenly, one guy said, Sahib, you are always coming here. They were addressing me as a man. Even though my hair was there, my kumkum is there. Then for 2 seconds I didn't understand, thought he's making fun of me or something. Then many of those people were like, Swamiji or Baba, like that they'll call. And while I'm going down the steps and everything, then only I understood that I'm literally appearing like a guy for all the 5 nights I meditated there. That level of protection.
Great.
Can we also have like things like, can we have like things that we think are non-vegetarian but they are actually vegetarian?
What is it? You tell me what all like that.
Maybe like you know, like bread with a little like dust in it. Do you think it's kind of like chicken?
What is it? Say anything which is not non-veg, which is veg, you can have.
Okay.
Nothing wrong. Cauliflower is okay. Cauliflower is vegetarian. Why I don't encourage cauliflower? You know, lot of worms are there. Then okay, no problem, eat. I was talking about the Indian thing. Here lot of worms are there, which gets killed. So that's the reason I told. Yes, go ahead.
Can you read blindfolded?
With chambar aap enake.
Because we do all the blindfolded, and I wonder if you can do it.
Actually, no. When I close my eyes or blindfold, if I concentrate on third eye, I fall into samadhi, where I can see the whole universe, and I will not be able to see the individual or the localized things which is in front of me. Understand? So that is the reason I am not able to.
Today, the morning satsanga was for me, but it created the identity crisis. Now, I don't know what my real identity is. And I talked to few
Now,
of the...
what do you want to do? You wrote that day, na? Your authentic identity. What do you want to have?
Yes, you told me.
Did you come first day or you came second day?
No, I came first day. But
then,
yes.
That is your identity you want to have?
Oh, we did the exercise, no? We did the
Yes, but...
You forgot that. You have to remind him, come on.
Yes. Right, but Swamiji, like sometimes I feel like I'm Kshatriya. Sometimes I feel I'm born in Vaishya family.
You see what I
so
am
there
saying?
is a confusion.
No, basically, forget about your birth.
Yes.
Now, what identity you want to establish, that the authentic identity you want to have, that is your identity. You have to work for that. That's all.
That is too big, Swamiji.
That is what you are supposed to do. Then you wrote just to fill the paper or what? Come on. You wrote for life.
Like Swamiji, I'm thinking of becoming working for the country in social
Then,
projects,
come on.
and
Then
you
you wrote all that as entertainment.
But then now you will have to make it possible.
He said no.
Because
Then
you
what
will have
else
to-
you think I am doing, sitting here? It's a Madurai Adinam tradition. All the disciples will be given the Basma bag by the Vastra which is put on the Sanidhanam. So, this is the cloth which I myself put it on my body. That's why this same color. I have not owned like a regular using, but I have put it on my body and literally like used on me.
Swamiji, in this morning's satsang, when you talked about tantrums, I really related to that. I feel like I throw a tantrum all the time with the kids. Like if I need to get them ready, it's been happening since I've been here. I'm always like, get up, let's go, we have to be on time, this, that. And I feel like I've been more angry since I've been here, and I've been...
Now start completing. You will get out of it, that's all.
Okay, thank you. Give me blessings, Swamiji.
Tatast.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I also wanted to tell you guys that Basma which is inside this bag, anything you wanted it to become reality. Take this Basma, one pinch, visualize that and just blow the Basma in the air, and I commit with you guys, I'll make that into reality. Whether a healing or something need to be achieved in your life, this Basma will be the way of connecting with Mahadeva. Just remember me and tell that this is what I wanted, this is the space I am creating. Whether you wanted to achieve something in your office or business or your personal relationship, anywhere, anything, just blow that Basma in the space, it will go and do the job. Now, we have a lot of people doing this BB, Basma blowing, and getting achieved whatever they want. No, you can go on be adding. This bag is energized. You can go on add any amount. Basma is a sacred ash. That is what is Vibhuti is what is Basma. Vibhuti is Basma. You can, there are so many words now. Udhi, Vibhuti, Basma, Tirunir in Tamil. So each language has its own word.
Last time my aunt attended IA in Varanasi, sir. He just came back and I want to share, and I am to come to Varanasi. I told. She take the basma and blow it out. I am here.
Maybe she has blown little fast and you landed here.
So, Swamiji, you use the word Brahmanya Bhagavutram.
Bhagavutradham.
So that one, like if people attending here, a lot of IA and integrity, good integrity. So even sometimes when we think something for the benefit of others or very reasonable stuff, it happens, no, Swamiji? Similar to the Basma thing.
Basma blowing is one of the very powerful traditional technique to connect with Mahadeva. Just pick up and remember Mahadeva and blow.
JG? So every night in the causing meeting, so we'll have a list of people.
And you blow Basma for them.
It's just blow Basma. Here Tanmay, Tanmay is sitting here, right? Okay. So he told everything, the money, all of that is arranged, only the train ticket, waiting list, this, that and all. Nowadays we don't even stop for let's complete, do anything. We just take the Basma, remember your name and just blow and it goes and does its job and comes.
That's all.
Swamiji?
Go ahead.
Jnanatma ma'am called me, I think, a week before, and she said, I have energized Basma and I am blowing it and you will be there in the Varanasi. I said, it is just, how is it possible? Because I have not planned anything. There were so many obstacles and it was just not even in a dream, but I had an intention. But she said, no, this is going to happen. I'm just going to do it now.
It's done.
It's really done.
Actually, all this looks it looks like a superstitious for the so-called the atheists, and when you start living with this, you will understand it is not superstitious, it is super conscious.
Swamiji, I said, Kashi Vishwanath and Bhagwan Ram, do whatever you want to do. And one guy came out and I prayed you also. Then this guy came and said, hey, I have to get down here urgently, but my seat number is 20 and 22. Please go and sit there. And TC has already checked, so no one will disturb you till Allahabad. I asked him, can I have your ticket with me? He said, no, if the TC asked when I pass out the gate, I need it. He said, but don't worry, you sit. So I went and sat. And we got down at Allahabad. We wanted to take the bath and first time cleanse ourselves. And everything worked. Even in when we came to Allahabad, the guy said, one lady my dad met, and she was an old lady. She has been coming here. So all the places we wanted to go, she said, I'm going there. And she took us there, all those places. We had the dip and Sangam, everything.
Great.
And she came all the way to sit in the train again and come here. So it didn't charge me. He said he had to charge 3-6 tickets, no charge.
Actually, in those days, I don't know about now, in those days when we have this color dress, in North India, no TT will ask for a ticket. You see, 9 years of my travel, never I bought a ticket. No, I'm going to write it in my biography. 9 years of my travel, never I bought a ticket in train. Mostly, I'll sit in that third class unreserved compartment. Whenever the TTs come, they always ask, Baba, did you eat? They'll ask the Hindi word kana. And if I say, I had it, they will go. If I did not give any reply, they will get the food and give and go. And I tell you, the people in Indian railway, especially in North Indian, they are the most religious people. I just have to put this on record. But I am telling you, I have seen in my personal life, because hundreds and hundreds of nights I have slept in the railway platforms. And the way they respect the sadhus, the way sadhus maintain their integrity with them, it's unimaginable. Unimaginable. Never ever I need to think about my food or any needs. As long as the train community is part of me, are part of my life. And I have tons of stories about them and the people whom I met. But I have not seen better people than them in the mainstream society, the so-called mainstream society. And mainstream media is never going to tell this story to the Indians. Where India is alive, where Bharat is alive. I tell you guys. I am so proud when I saw that community and their integrity. Because many times I'll just live in train for even 20 days, 30 days. Anywhere it goes, I'll be going and coming and I will not even know where it is going and where I am going to get down. I have no plan. And it will all, food or anything I need will come to my place. If it is cold, I'll see somebody comes and gives a blanket, Babaji, leaves it at my feet and does namaskar and goes. It is just a joy to see those people. And I always feel, even though I am begging only, whatever I get, let me share and eat with all the other beggars, that's all. My autobiography, it's already happening. It's happening. 5 volumes, each volume is 1000 pages. 5 volumes. Already first volume is done. You can expect 2 volumes by this December.
Swamiji, sometimes the third eye is also called the cave of Brahma. Some
See,
people...
the Kevala Brahma...
What is the story behind it?
Kevala Brahma is Anandagandha, not third eye. Anandagandha. No, Anandagandha, which is below the heart and above the navel. When I am giving the healer's initiation, I will explain about it. See, I have seen some of the richest people in close quarters, but I have not seen the quality of life and the heart which I have seen in the train. That 9 years has made me so rich, consciously, and it has added to my life so much of color. And if you sit and listen to their stories and talk to them, inside each one of them you will find such beautiful beings. Such beautiful beings. It's unfortunate nobody has done PhD on this community. I really feel some of the next generation youngsters should do PhD on them, on this community, on these individuals, on these people. But I am not encouraging stealing, please understand.
No.
All I am trying to tell you is, but the pain the other person goes through will be recorded. For example, see, if you steal from a person $2 million,
yes,
and that fellow doesn't care, he has trillions of dollars,
right,
you will not incur any sin.
Yes.
But if you steal from a miser 2 rupee,
yes,
and that bloody beggar rolls on the ground and cries, you will incur more sin. Because that pain the other person goes through only will come as a sin, not the quantity or quality of the money. Only the pain you cause becomes karma.
Okay. Okay.
Swamiji,
yes,
about this is a very big coincidence that today this great divine opportunity is happening, that you are giving Atmalinga. The story about Varangana in that Shivalila Amrut is like this only, that Shiva takes a form of a Vaishya and he goes to that Varangana to test her integrity only. And now I am understanding, after undergoing various courses with you, this AIR, authenticity, integrity, responsibility and enrichment. This lady, she accepts him as a husband for 3 days, though she is a Varangana, and he only puts one condition, that I have got one Atmalinga, which is with all jewels and everything. You have to protect it. If anything happens to it, then I will just leave my body. So she says, if you leave my body, I am married to you for 3 days, I will also join you as a sati. So he says, okay, let me see your integrity. And he creates a fire. And that linga disappears. And Shiva also goes into that fire. So this lady immediately decides that I am married to him for 3 days, I have given an integrity statement. And she jumps into the fire. And Shiva then lifts her up out of that. So that is that beautiful story actually. So and today only you are talking about this so many times about Varangana. It's definitely a coincidence.
So we should know, socially accepted or unaccepted is different, and cosmically accepted or unaccepted is different. We should not confuse both. Hmm?
Kids now, before they go to college, the major problem is the decision making, what area they should go into. Now,
astrology will help in a big way to guide.
In big way, okay.
Horoscope will help.
Swamiji, would you please suggest for authentic Shiva Mahapuran? Because there are so many.
Motilal Banerjee Das has published, which is written as per Vyasa. They have translated in English and published. Motilal Banerjee Das publication. They have published all 18 Puranas from the original Vyasa's compilation with English translation.
Okay, thank you so much.
That's the best translation I have seen.
We can buy here in Banaras?
I think in Banaras it must be available. They have headquartered in Banaras.
Okay.
Their printing press only is in Delhi, but they are spiritually headquartered in Banaras.
Okay, thank you so much. I think maybe while visiting Ganga, we can buy nearby, I think.
I don't know where it is available. See, all the books I wrote, all the lectures I give, all the books I wrote is available freely in our website. 500 volume. You can go and freely download. And all my speeches are freely available in YouTube. You can go and download. All my songs, other chantings, the mantra and all I chant in the morning satsanga, Kathopanishad, like that. I have chanted many other mantras, Gayatri mantra, Mrityunjaya mantra, Rudram, all the mantras. In my voice, everything is available in SoundCloud. Go and download. I don't know whether full Rudram is available, but there are many mantras I have chanted. All that is freely available in SoundCloud. Go and download. Yes, that is what I am saying. All the things I chanted, the chantings on me, by me, songs on me, by me, everything is there in SoundCloud. Go and freely download. If something is not there, send the email. We will immediately upload. I have sung, I think, in those days, some 20-30 hours of different songs. Everything is available. I have sung Arunachala Shiva also. Everything is available in the SoundCloud.